Hey guys, welcome back to my Auto-darkening YouTube channel. And if you are on a quest for the coolest and safest welding helmet, you have landed in the right video. And we know that the sparks are flying and you need a trusty helmet to keep your both style and shielded. And why welding helmets are like your superhero masks in the world of metal and fire, and we have gathered the very best ones for you with the top 12 best welding helmets. And whatever you are seasoned welder or just starting your welding adventures, a top-notch welding helmet is your essential sidekick. So imagine this: you are in the midst of welding. Your helmet not only protect you from the blazing brightness but also feels like a comfortable cocoon for your head. So guys, I already started my list. You can see I share the model details of helmets and price and customer review and ratings. That is the kind of welding helmet magic we are talking about. Now we understand that choosing the right welding helmet can be as challenging as welding the perfect seam. And fear not, fellow welders, we have done the heavy lifting and the hand-picked the best welding helmet around there. And these helmets are like your welding mentor, reliable, toughest, and ready to face any welding challenge. So join us as we explore the elite welding helmet that not only shield your eyes but also make you look like a welding wizard. And your welding journey is about to get a whole lot safer and more stylish. Get ready for check out our best top 12 welding helmet, which is I already started my video. And you can see at number 5 is DEKORPO welding helmet auto darkening system, which is priced around $32, 4.4 out of 5 stars this helmet get. And from the 11,000 customer approx ratings get this. And guys, if you wanna buy any welding helmet from our list, so I share all the welding helmets by links below in the description box. You can buy from there. And if you wanna read more deep customer review ratings, so you can go from there. So thank you for watching and keep watching our video till end for the entire list. And I hope you will get your best welding helmet from our list. Thank you.